I'm Steve Ember with the VOA Special English Development Report. Doctors expect to treat more than 20,000 people this month at a special medical camp in the western Indian state of Gujarat. The 2-week camp takes place each year during January at a hospital in the village of Bidada. This year, the camp opens on January 2nd. A non-profit organization called the Sri Bidada Sarvodaya Trust organizes the event. Doctors from India, the United States, and England will treat the patients. Manilal Mehta is one of the organizers of the medical camp. He tells us that patients come from all over India, especially since the hospital in Bidada opened a new treatment center. The center was built as a result of the deadly earthquake in Gujarat in January of 2001. Children as well as adults are treated at the medical camp. Dr. Mehta says doctors treat patients for more than 20 medical problems and diseases. Hundreds of operations will be performed. Dr. Mehta says about 1,000 minor operations were done last year. More than 300 patients with serious problems were sent to hospitals in Mumbai. The Bidada Medical Camp began 31 years ago. At first, doctors treated only patients with eye diseases. Then, the organizers expanded the camp to help people with other problems. Dr. Mehta says about 2.5 million patients have been treated since the camp began in 1974. People in India, the United States, and other countries give money to operate the medical camp. About 200 doctors and other medical workers from Mumbai take part in the yearly event. They work with a medical team of about 50 members from the United States. All of those involved in the camp provide their services without being paid. Many of the doctors were born in Kutch, but are now living in the United States. Some of them have been returning to the camp for many years. The doctors from the United States also teach local Indian doctors about developments in medical science. The Sri Bidada Sarvodaya Trust also organizes smaller medical camps for patients at other times of year. The organization operates the hospital in Bidada as well as Maru Hospital in Mumbai. These hospitals treat about 300 patients each day. This VOA Special English Development Report was written by Joe Moss. Internet users can read and listen to our reports at voaspecialenglish.com. I'm Steve Ember.